how to recover deleted photos from WhatsApp. So I'm gonna be honest here, and I'm gonna be straight to the point. Right now you cannot recover deleted photos from WhatsApp. Before it was possible, like 2-3 years ago, that there was loopholes, there was glitches. You can recover deleted photos. However, in the current date, that's not possible. There are other versions of WhatsApp. I can't name them. If you use those versions, then maybe it's possible, but I won't recommend to use those versions of WhatsApp, and those are not even available on Play Store. That's gonna be your own risk. So yeah, there are versions of WhatsApp you can recover deleted photos, but the thing is that you have to install those from third-party website, and those are very risky. I won't recommend you to do that, but that's the only way. But from the legit version, which we download from App Store or Play Store, you can't recover. Once it's deleted, that means it's deleted, unless you have saved it or you have shared it to your friends. So yeah, I know you are disappointed, your problem didn't solved, but that is what it is. I'm not gonna waste your time. This is what it was. Okay, so hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching, and have a great